Don't push a button.
Don't push the button. Beep. Okay, do you want me to read it? Wow, we did such a great job trick-or-treating. We have so much candy. You want to show the picture? Look. That scary house is the only one left, but I don't want to go. I hear monsters live there. Stop! What are you doing? Are you trying to get us gobbled up? All right, Evie, what comes next? What's she say here?
Please ring the doors.
Please, please, please don't ring that doorbell. I'll give you all my candy if we go home right now. Sigh, I guess I can't stop you. Push the button and say trick or treat. Say it really loud.
Beep.
What do you have to say?
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat. I'm too scared. You peek inside. Open the door slowly.
Action.
Eek, monsters! Shout boo to scare them away.
Boo.
Shout louder.
Boo.
Okay, it's a little dramatic. Okay, that's better. Looks like there's a note. Hey, what's this note say, Evie?
No, push a button.
Don't push the button. It says for Larry.
For Larry.
It says,
Yeah.
look,
That's Larry.
is that Larry? It says, can you cut the string and get it down for me? Okay. The note says, clap twice to turn on the lights. That's a little more than twice, but I like the excitement. What's it say?
Fly away and battery. Good.
Close. Surprise, Larry. We have an extra special treat for you trick-or-treaters. Oh boy, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, push. That's one way to push it. What's it say? Happy Halloween.
Ow.
Happy Halloween. I told you we should trick-or-treat at this house. Monster.
Monster bring you. Watch it bring you.
He has lost his bunny ears. You want to show the picture?